Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today, I'm telling you about Iron Man EDC, Red Gold Everyday Carry. This video is going to be very interesting today. Watch the full video. Let's get started. Number 1. Spigen Neo Hybrid Case. The Spigen Neo Hybrid Case. Not just your everyday phone case, but a stylish, protective, and surprisingly fidget-friendly gadget. Whether you're a phone enthusiast or someone who loves to fidget, this case delivers the best of both worlds. The Neo Hybrid combines a flexible TPU body with a durable polycarbonate frame. The textured back not only provides a solid grip, but also adds an element of tactile satisfaction, perfect for those who like to fidget. With Spigen's signature shock-absorbent design, this case ensures your phone stays protected from drops, while its slim profile keeps it pocket-friendly. Neo Hybrid apart is its subtle, fidget-friendly features. The ridged design offers a satisfying grip for idle hands, while the firm yet responsive buttons provide a satisfying click with every press. It's ideal for casual fidgeting when you're on a call or simply passing time. The case's flexibility makes it perfect for subtle fidgeting without drawing attention, helping you stay focused and relaxed while keeping your phone safe. Beyond being a great fidget tool, the Spigen Neo Hybrid provides excellent everyday protection. Raised edges around the screen and camera keep your phone safe from scratches, while its sleek design ensures it looks stylish in any setting. If you're looking for a phone case that combines style, protection, and a little fidget fun, the Spigen Neo Hybrid is the perfect choice. Get yours today and enjoy the best of both protection and play. Number 2. Spigen Camera Lens Protector. The Spigen Camera Lens Protector, designed to keep your camera safe while adding a fun fidgeting experience. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love keeping your tech pristine, the Spigen Lens Protector guards your camera from scratches, dust, and accidental drops. It's designed for a seamless fit, ensuring full lens coverage without affecting the photo quality. And best of all, it's easy to apply, bubble-free, and keeps your camera performing like new. But that's not all. The Spigen Camera Lens Protector comes with a unique fidgeting feature, the rotating outer ring. You can spin and click it around your camera lens, offering a satisfying tactile experience that's perfect for keeping your hands busy. It's designed for smooth, silent action, so you can fidget discreetly while protecting your phone. Plus, the sleek design adds an extra layer of style to your device. The Spigen Camera Lens Protector is the perfect combination of protection and functionality. Whether you're capturing your favorite moments or simply enjoying the fidgeting experience, this gadget elevates your smartphone game. Protect your camera and have fun doing it with the Spigen Camera Lens Protector. Number 3. Stat Gear Pocket Samurai Knife. The Stat Gear Pocket Samurai Knife, a compact and versatile tool that combines the elegance of a samurai sword with the convenience of everyday carry. Whether you're a collector, a fidgeter, crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Stat Gear Pocket Samurai Knife boasts a razor-sharp tanto blade for precision cutting. Its anodized aluminum handle is lightweight yet durable, making it perfect for both EDC and fidgeting. Its mini samurai sword design makes it unique, combining ancient aesthetics with modern functionality. Whether you're opening packages, cutting rope, or just enjoying the satisfying action, the Pocket Samurai is a great tool to have on hand. The Pocket Samurai part is how easy it is to flip and fidget. The smooth opening and closing action, coupled with the satisfying click, make it a go-to gadget for anyone who loves the tactile feel of a well-crafted tool. And when you're not fidgeting with it, the knife is fully functional for everyday tasks. Its compact size means it can fit on your keychain, making it accessible whenever you need it. The Stat Gear Pocket Samurai Knife is not just a cool fidget tool, it's a practical accessory for your daily life. Small, portable, and ready for action, this mini samurai blade is perfect for anyone who loves a functional and stylish gadget. The Stat Gear Pocket Samurai Knife, and experience the blend of fidget fun and everyday utility. Get yours today and carry the spirit of the samurai with you, wherever you go. Number 4. Makarmi LTR 2 Lighter Case. The Makarmi LTR 2 Lighter Case, the perfect blend of functionality and fidget fun. This sleek, compact lighter case offers more than just utility. It's designed to keep your hands busy with its fidget-friendly features. Crafted from high-grade titanium or brass, the LTR2 is built for durability and style. Its minimalist design not only protects your lighter, but also adds a premium touch to your everyday carry. The case is both lightweight and sturdy, making it easy to carry in your pocket or attach to a keychain. The smooth surface and rotating mechanism allow for satisfying fidgeting. Spin, flip, and click, making it perfect for relieving stress while staying practical. What sets the Makarmi LTR2 apart is its dual purpose. It's not just a lighter case, but also a fidget gadget. The built-in spinning function offers endless entertainment with a satisfying click and smooth rotation. Whether you're at work, commuting, or just taking a break, the LTR2 provides a discreet way to keep your hands busy. And when you need a lighter, it's right there, protected and ready to use. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, EDC fans, or anyone who enjoys the combination of utility and fidgeting, the Makarmi LTR2 is a must-have. Its design fits most standard lighters, ensuring both protection and easy access when needed. Number 5. Juke Votero Apple Watch Strap. The Juke Votero Apple Watch Strap, a perfect blend of sleek design and fidget functionality. Designed for those who value style and a tactile experience, this premium watch strap brings a whole new level of interaction to your wrist. The Votero strap is both lightweight and durable. It's inspired by race car aesthetics, with vibrant color accents and a precision-engineered build. Whether you're at the office or out for a casual day, this strap adds an element of sophistication to your Apple Watch. The smooth links allow for comfortable wear all day long, while its sturdy construction ensures durability, making it the perfect accessory for both daily wear and active lifestyles. The smooth, interlocking links provide a satisfying tactile experience, perfect for those moments when you need to keep your hands busy. The flexibility and slight movement of the links make it ideal for relieving stress or staying focused. Beyond its sleek design and fidgeting benefits, the Viterro strap is fully compatible with all Apple Watch models. It's easy to attach, secure, and built to last. Whether you're looking for a stylish upgrade or a functional fidget accessory, the Juk Viterro is the perfect combination of both. Number 6. Keyport Slide 3. The Keyport Slide 3, the perfect blend of function and fun. This innovative gadget not only organizes your keys, but also serves as an excellent fidget tool, keeping your hands busy and your pockets clutter-free. The Keyport Slide 3 is designed to simplify your everyday carry. It holds up to 6 keys, USB drives, or tools in one compact device, all accessible with a simple slide mechanism. Built from durable aircraft-grade aluminum, this gadget is made to last. But what sets the Keyport Slide 3 apart is how satisfying it is to fidget with. The smooth sliding action gives your hands something to do when you're bored, stressed, or just need a break. It's perfect for keeping your fingers busy while still being functional. Its modular design ensures it stays slim in your pocket, giving you easy access to everything you need without bulk or noise. With its practical functionality and satisfying fidget feature, the Keyport Slide 3 is more than just a key organizer. It's the ultimate EDC gadget for those who appreciate innovation and convenience. Number 7. Phantom Wallet. The Phantom Wallet, the ultimate everyday carry that combines sleek design with fidget-worthy functionality. Whether you're looking for a compact, stylish wallet or a fun fidget tool, the Phantom Wallet has it all. The Phantom Wallet is as durable as it is sleek. Its slim design easily holds your cards, cash, and even coins without adding unnecessary bulk to your pocket. The signature feature of the Phantom Wallet is the quick access card fan, or simply flick the lever and your cards are fanned out in an instant, allowing you to easily grab what you need. The Phantom Wallet isn't just functional, it's also a fidget toy. The smooth lever mechanism makes flipping the cards out incredibly satisfying, providing a tactile, stress-relieving experience. Whether you're passing the time or just enjoying the feel of the mechanics, the wallet offers endless fidgeting fun with RFID protection, a range of sizes to fit your lifestyle, and customizable add-ons like money clips and coin holders. The Phantom Wallet is built to meet your everyday needs while keeping things fun. If you're looking for a wallet that's more than just a card holder, the Phantom Wallet combines style, function, and fidget fun in one sleek package. Get yours today and upgrade your EDC experience. Number 8. Rove Sunglasses. Rove Sunglasses, the world's thinnest foldable shades that combine fashion, functionality, and fun. These ultralight sunglasses not only protect your eyes, but also offer a fidget-friendly design to keep your hands busy. Rove sunglasses are crafted from durable stainless steel, weighing less than an ounce. Their minimal, foldable design makes them incredibly portable, easily fitting into your pocket, bag, or even a wallet. Perfect for those on the go. With multiple color options and lens choices, they're stylish enough for any occasion, whether you're hitting the beach or heading to the office. But these shades are more than just eyewear, they're also a fidget gadget. The folding mechanism allows for smooth, satisfying movements, giving you a unique way to keep your hands busy while you're on the go. The precision-engineered hinges provide a tactile experience, perfect for relieving stress or keeping your hands occupied. Of course, Rove sunglasses are also equipped with polarized lenses that protect your eyes from harmful UV rays, ensuring crystal clear vision in any lighting condition. Combining practicality with fun, these shades are the ultimate EDC everyday carry item. Number 9. Square Jellyfish Kickstand AirPods Case. The Square Jellyfish Kickstand AirPods Case, the perfect mix of style, functionality, and a little fidgeting fun. Whether you're protecting your AirPods or enjoying a moment of relaxation, this case has got you covered. Designed with a sturdy, impact-resistant shell, this case provides complete protection for your AirPods. It's lightweight, durable, and ready to handle everyday drops and scratches, keeping your AirPods safe and secure. But that's not all. The Square Jellyfish case also features a built-in kickstand, giving you hands-free convenience wherever you go. The kickstand doubles as a spinner, offering satisfying tactile feedback when you need a moment to relax or stay focused. It's perfect for fidgeting while you wait, work, or listen to your favorite podcast. This unique feature adds an element of fun to an already practical accessory. Lightweight, portable, and stylish, the Square Jellyfish Kickstand AirPods case easily fits into your pocket or bag, making it an essential accessory for your daily routine. Protect your AirPods, stay entertained, and enjoy hands-free convenience with the Square Jellyfish Kickstand AirPods case. Get yours today and add a little fidget fun to your everyday carry. Number 10. Fisher Space Bullet Pen. The Fisher Space Bullet Pen, the ultimate blend of function and fidget fun. Originally designed for astronauts, this pen can write anywhere, whether it's upside down, underwater, or even in space. The bullet pen's compact design fits perfectly in your pocket, measuring just 3.75 inches when closed and extending to a full-sized pen when open. Made from durable brass and stainless steel, it's built to last and withstand tough environments. The unique bullet shape not only makes it easy to carry, but also provides a satisfying tactile feel, making it perfect for those who like to fidget. The Fisher Space Bullet Pen, more than just a writing tool, is its smooth, satisfying action. The twist-off cap and the sleek metallic body make it a perfect fidget gadget. You can spin it, flip the cap on and off, and even twirl it between your fingers, all while keeping your hands busy and your mind focused. Its compact size and balance make it a go-to for those moments when you need a quick distraction or stress relief. And when you're ready, it's always there to write in any condition, on any surface. Beyond its fidgeting appeal, the Fisher Space Bullet Pen is still a reliable writing tool. Its pressurized ink cartridge allows you to write on any surface, even in extreme temperatures. Whether you're jotting down notes or fidgeting with it during a meeting, this pen does it all. The Fisher Space Bullet Pen is more than just a pen. It's a multi-purpose tool for writing, fidgeting, and adding a touch of space-age innovation to your everyday carry. Get yours today and experience the fidget-friendly writing tool that's out of this world. Number 11. Tigered Armor Knock. The Tigered Armor Knock, a fidget gadget designed to bring out the warrior in you. This isn't your average fidget toy. It's built tough, combining functionality with a sleek, armored design that keeps your hands busy and your mind focused. The Tigered Armor Knock features a robust metal construction that's not just durable, but feels great in hand. Its Knuck-inspired design makes it easy to grip and fun to fidget with, while the high-quality finish ensures it stands the test of time. Whether you're spinning, flipping, or just gripping it, the Armor Knock delivers a satisfying tactile experience. The Armor Knock is perfect for fidgeting during stressful moments or just to keep your hands occupied. Its ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort, whether you're flipping it in your hand or keeping it in your pocket for quick access. It's also compact enough to carry with you wherever you go, making it a perfect companion for work, travel, or just relaxing at home. The Tigered Armor Knock is built for everyday use, whether it's stress relief or keeping your mind focused. So, if you're looking for a tough, stylish fidget gadget that's as functional as it is fun, the Tigered Armor Knock is your perfect match. Get yours today and take fidgeting to a whole new level. Number 12. Clip and Carry Kydex Sheath. The Clip and Carry Kydex Sheath, where functionality meets fun. This innovative sheath isn't just for carrying your knife, it's also a fantastic fidget tool. This sheath is designed for durability and versatility. It securely holds your knife while being lightweight and easy to carry. The precise molding fits your knife perfectly, ensuring it stays in place, whether you're hiking, camping, or just going about your daily routine. The Clip and Carry Kydex Sheath is not only practical but also stylish, adding a touch of flair to your EDC gear. The Clip and Carry Kydex Sheath doubles as a fidget tool. The satisfying click and release mechanism provides a tactile experience that keeps your hands busy while you wait or work. The sheath is designed to be easily manipulated, allowing for endless fidgeting without fear of damaging your knife. This fidget feature makes it perfect for stress relief, focus enhancement, or simply passing the time. Whether you're in a meeting, at home, or on the go, you can enjoy the calming benefits of fidgeting with the added practicality of a knife sheath. The Clip and Carry Kydex Sheath is the ultimate companion for any knife enthusiast and fidgeter alike. It offers functionality and a unique way to relieve stress and stay engaged throughout the day. The Clip and Carry Kydex Sheath is the perfect choice. Grab yours today and experience the ultimate combination of utility and fidget fun. Number 13. Tech Accessories Retrieve Tool. Tech Accessories Retrieve Tool, a unique combination of practicality and fun. This innovative fidget gadget is perfect for those who love to fidget, while also needing a reliable everyday tool. The Retrieve tool is expertly crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and functionality. Its compact, pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go, whether it's in your pocket, bag, or on your keychain. With its sleek aesthetics and ergonomic shape, the Retrieve tool not only looks good, but also feels great in your hand, making it the perfect companion for everyday use. The Retrieve tool apart is its unique fidgeting capabilities. With a variety of tactile elements and rotating parts, it's designed to keep your hands busy, helping you relieve stress and improve focus. This tool features a sturdy pocket clip, a carabiner attachment, and a built-in bottle opener, making it not just a fidget toy, but also a versatile EDC everyday carry tool. Whether you're popping open a cold drink or need a quick tool in a pinch, the Retrieve has you covered. The TEC Accessories Retrieve tool is perfect for anyone who enjoys having a reliable gadget that also offers stress relief. Its combination of functionality and fidgeting fun makes it an essential addition to your EDC collection. The TEC Accessories Retrieve tool is the perfect choice. Number 14. Goodsworth Brass RX Case. The Goodsworth Brass RX Case, a perfect fusion of style, functionality, and fidgeting fun. This elegant gadget is not just a storage solution, it's an experience that enhances your daily routine. The RX case features a sleek, minimalist design that stands out. The solid construction not only looks fantastic, but ensures durability, making it a stylish accessory you can carry anywhere. Its compact size makes it easy to slip into your pocket or bag, so you can have it on hand whenever you need a quick fidget fix. The fidgeting features. The Brass RX case is designed with a unique lid that spins and clicks, providing a satisfying tactile experience. It's perfect for relieving relieving stress, improving focus, or simply keeping your hands busy. The satisfying sound and smooth motion of the spinning lid make it an addictive tool for fidgeters of all ages. Plus, it's an excellent conversation starter. You'll find yourself showing it off to friends and family. But the RX case isn't just for fidgeting. It also serves as a secure storage option for small items like keys, cash, or other essentials. Keep your belongings organized while enjoying the benefits of fidgeting. Number 15. Tote It the Tote It Fidget Gadget, the perfect combination of fidget fun and everyday functionality. Whether you're at work, school, or just need a little distraction, this gadget is designed to keep your hands busy while looking stylish. The Tote It features a sleek, compact design that fits easily in your hand or bag. Product link in description. Click the description and click the product link and buy the product. If you want more latest updates on new gadgets, make sure to subscribe our channel if you like the video. Like and share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.